Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a roasted garlic mashed potatoes so I can give you the ingredients. Okay, so what I did with the garlic, so I peeled the garlic, and we're gonna use just the cloves. And also we're gonna need 1 cup of oil. So what I did, I put them in the oil and let it cook for about 10 minutes. First I put on a high heat, and then as soon as it started, like barely boiling, you're gonna lower the heat into very low, and then you're just gonna let it simmer there for about 10 minutes, and then you take it out like into there like this, soft, so that way you don't turn on the oven just for 1 garlic clove. So you can use this oil too for an infused oil with garlic. You can also add a rosemary, thyme, and then you can use that for future recipes. So let me give you the next step. Okay, so we're gonna boil our potatoes. We're gonna wash them and leave the skin on, so that way we don't lose all the starch. So what I did, I boiled my potatoes for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and then how do you know when they're ready? You're just gonna poke them with a knife or a spoon or fork. So they have to come out, clean like this. So they're ready, like that. And then in the meantime, we're gonna let them rest a little bit, so that way you can peel them. So I have my milk with the garlic cloves in here, okay? So we're gonna add the rest of the milk, the butter, and we're gonna bring it to boil. And then we're gonna put our potatoes and finish our mash. After our milk start boiling, we're gonna add the potatoes, okay? We're gonna start mashing it like this. And then we're gonna add some salt, pepper to taste. And we're gonna put the Parmesan cheese as much as you like, and then salt, pepper, like I say, a little bit. And also you can add some sour cream if you want, just to give an extra flavor. And we're gonna come back when this is ready. Okay, this is our final presentation of the garlic mashed potatoes. I just put a little bit of parsley, some extra butter on top. And hopefully you guys like this recipe, and if you guys want me to make any other recipe, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Enjoy.